Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Plays and misses. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. He was poking it. The field set exactly for it. And great execution of plans by the bowler. Slips in place. And taken. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. On the body, it's a nasty delivery. They're placed at point. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. Great shot. He has dispatched that. And the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Oh, he smashed that to the boundary. 4 runs. unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Oh, that must have really hurt.
The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles.
Nudges it for a single.
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That's six. They picked up the length very early. Can he do it again? That has made some serious damage. Either placed at point. Oh, that was a seriously quick ball. Inform fast bowler into the deck now. Expect some serious chin music. Either placed at point.
Trying to up the run rate here. A very loose shot in the end. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. They were spoken at. He set exactly for it. And great execution of plans by the bowler. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt.
They would definitely have a score in their minds. Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
Fielder placed at point. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Oh, that must have really hurt. It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Last ball of the innings coming up. That is huge field. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.